I want to go over how to make calls and what it looks like when a call is coming through the phone. Let's start with making calls. You're going to tap on the phone icon in the bottom left corner, and you'll want to tap on keypad. Now, just the first thing, this first menu here, we're on recents. This is just our call log, so you can see what calls have already happened on your phone. And you can actually easily call someone back if they're in your call log by simply swiping to the right like this. If you notice, when I started swiping, the button turned green and it says call. You can also send that person a text message by swiping to the left and it says messages. So that's just a cool little shortcut in connecting with people you've already made calls to. Now, if you want to call a number that you haven't called in a while or never, you're going to tap on keypad, and here you'll need to dial the phone number. So area code first. There we go. So I just typed in a phone number, and notice at the top here, it recommended a contact. So I dialed a number of someone who is already saved in my contacts. So I can tap here, and basically the phone will begin to recommend a contact as you start typing, so you may not even need to type in the whole phone number. So now that our number is in, I'm simply going to tap on the call button at the bottom here to initiate a phone call. You can also tap on this button here if you're trying to initiate a video call, and it would do that using Google Meet. Let's tap on the phone button here. It's initiating the call. When you see it begin to count up, that means that the call is connected and that person should be on the line. If you want to put the call on speaker, you can tap on the speaker button right here. You've got mute. You have keypad here if you need to dial a command. For example, press 3 for the operator. Press 5 for this. You can tap it here. And if you want to add someone to the call, turn it into a three-way call, you can simply tap on the plus to add a call. You also have what is called call assist, and you can set up a live translate so that it'll translate the call if the person is speaking in a different language. So that's pretty cool too. When you're finished with the call, you're going to tap on the red button, and that's going to end the call, and that's it. Okay, so that's a brief rundown of just making calls. Next, let's go over what it will look like when a call is coming through the phone. I'm going to initiate a call so you can see what it looks like. So there's the call coming through. You're going to tap on the green button to answer the call or tap the red button to decline it. Let's answer it. All right, so our call has come through, and again, you have all the same on-screen call options, and you'll tap the red button when you're ready to end the call. Now I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to initiate that call one more time. Now, let's say you don't want to answer the phone, but you want to send that person a text message with letting them know why I can't answer. You can tap on here where it says send message, and it will recommend these three options here. And I tapped it too fast. But the three options basically say can't talk now, or send me a text message, or you can type your own custom message. So that there's a button at the very bottom that says send your own message. So that's another way to decline a call, but you can at least send them a message saying, hey, I'm busy right now. Okay, so that's what it looks like when a call is coming through, but that's what it looks like when a call comes through and you're using the phone. If the phone was sitting on the table and a call came through, it would look different. Let's go over that scenario next. A call is coming through. You're going to see it pop up on screen. Now, guess what? Tapping the buttons are not going to work in this menu. You actually have to put your finger on the bubble and you have to drag or swipe up like this. That's how you answer the phone when you're not using it and a call comes through. Let me initiate one more call here. I want to show you that one more time. It's the same thing for answering or declining. Put your finger on the button and drag. You can also, at the bottom it says send message, you can swipe up from the bottom and it'll bring up that menu that will let you send a message as you're declining it. Hey, please text me, write a new message. I'm going to tap please text me. You can also tap the bubble for remind me in 1 hour and it will set a reminder that you need to call that person back. Okay? So that's what the call menus are going to look like. And it takes a bit of getting used to if you haven't used a Samsung phone before, but a couple of times you'll get it and it won't be a big deal for you. If you're getting value out of the video so far, please take a minute and make sure you bump that like button down below. Really appreciate your support in that. All right, you'll notice over the phone button, there's a red 1. And what that means is, it means you have a missed call. It means someone tried to call you, you didn't answer it, so it's a missed call. So if I tap on the phone button and I go to recent, it's going to show up that I have a missed call from Wayne Wonder. And again, I can drag to the right to call that person back, or I can swipe to the left to send them a message. If you want to watch the full video that this is from, my A16 for Beginner video, check out that link to the left, and to the right, you'll find a link to my full playlist with all my other videos. Check out these resources to help you continue learning your phone. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.